Okay, let's kick off with the Yamaha FG800J. I'm honestly a little bit in love with this one for beginners who actually want good tone without breaking the bank. The FG800J, full name, Yamaha 6-string beginner solid spruce top traditional western dreadnought with rosewood fingerboard, natural, is built around a solid spruce top with NATO, mahogany back and sides and a rosewood fingerboard. That combo gives it a bright, balanced voice and surprisingly respectable low end for the price. The current street price I saw across a few retailers sits in the $200 $300 band depending on bundles and sellers, so expect a sweet spot around the low to mid $200s at the time I checked. What that means in plain vlog terms, you're getting a legit solid top instrument for not much cash, which is the rarest kind of beginner win. Customers often rave about the playability. The neck is comfortable, action reasonable out of the box, and the solid spruce top gives a big, open voice that sits nicely under a singer. On the flip side, there are always the usual budget caveats. Finish and fit can vary a bit, and a visit to a tech for a quick setup will probably make it sing even better. Pros are obvious: solid top, good tone, Yamaha reliability, while cons are minor cosmetic, fit and finish quirks reported by a minority of buyers. If you're filming a best beginner guitars segment, the FG800J is the kind of pick that makes your viewers nod. Durability, tone, and resale value are all pluses. Also, happy to say, we share buy links in description box.